welcome back to Behind the Scenes with Cruise Ship Interiors Expo. So some of the latest developments are that a show preview magazine will be landing on desks very soon. So if you're registered for a pass, expect to see that. VIP passes for the show have completely sold out, so we've got no VIP passes remaining. If you do want to upgrade your experience, we do have a handful of pass pluses available. And we have confirmed the 3 hosts for the official launch party, so Bolite, Somet Group and Global Marine Travel. So some of the new show features for the floor are we'll have live product demonstrations at our exhibitors' booths. So the schedule is now live, it's on our website, you can click below and see that. And the other thing is that Adventure Golf are going to be hosting a 3-hole putt competition on the show floor. So you can enter with your colleagues, there's prizes for the best and worst scores. So I'm pleased to announce that Hobart have confirmed their participation at Marine Catering Expo. It's a massive name in the industry and we're really proud to have them there. Also, the full conference agenda for the Marine Catering Forum is now live. So you can click on the link below and see that. It includes speakers from Costa, MSC, Virgin, Carnival, and it's an amazing program. We'll see you next month. Thank you very much.